Good morning, students. Today we are going to study Chapter 8, Amazing World of Animals. In the previous module, we have discussed about habitat, different types of habitats in animals, and also we have studied about the different breathing methods in the animals. In today's video, we are going to study about the feeding habits, different types of animals according to their feeding habits, movement and locomotion in animals, and the mechanism of migration. So, here we go. So, students, we are going to study the feeding habits of animals. According to the feeding habits, animals are grouped as herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Some of the animals are also named as rodents. Herbivores such as cow, goat, buffalo, deer, etc. eat plants and plant parts. They have sharp front teeth for biting and strong broad teeth at the back for chewing food. Herbivores like camel and giraffe eat leaves and fruits of long trees and are known as browsers. Their long neck and legs help them to reach their food at long heights. The next group of animals are rodents. Animals such as rabbits, mice, squirrels have strong, small and sharp front teeth for gnawing. They are a type of herbivores only. The next group of animals are carnivores. Animals such as lion, tiger, cats have very sharp pointed and curved front teeth for tearing flesh of their prey. They also have strong grinding teeth. They are called as carnivores. Birds such as eagle, vulture, kites, etc. also eat flesh of other animals. They have strong, sharp and hooked beaks and claws to catch their prey for tearing flesh. The sharp claws are called talons. Now we will study movements in animals. Animals can move from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. They also need to move to protect themselves from enemies and for building nests. The movement of animals is called locomotion. These animals, they move in different places. Animals such as earthworm move by crawling on the ground. They move by contraction and relaxation of their muscles. Insects move with the help of legs and wings. Insects have 6 legs. They walk, run or crawl on the ground with the help of the legs. Insects like cockroaches run very fast. They fly by beating wings and special chest muscles in short distances. Mosquitoes and houseflies can walk as well as fly very well. Next is snakes. Snakes, crocodiles, lizards, tortoises are called reptiles. Although some of them have limbs, they move by crawling on the ground. Snakes do not have limbs. The scales attached to the lower side of the body, strong chest muscles and flexible backbone help snakes to crawl on the ground on a zigzag manner. Man has 4 limbs, F-O-U-R, 4, matlab 4. 2 hands are called forelimbs, F-O-R-E, forelimbs, and 2 legs are called hind limbs, H-I-N-D, hind limbs. The man uses hind limbs or legs only for locomotion. He moves with the contraction and relaxation of muscles and bones. Movements of animals in water. Aquatic animals such as fish, frog, crab, etc. have different organs of movement. Fishes has a pair of fins in the front. These fins help to move forward. There is a fin at the lower abdomen. This fin helps in balancing the body. The tail fin helps in changing the direction. Frogs have 4 limbs, F-O-U-R, 4. The front 2 limbs are called as F-O-R-E, forelimbs. They are shorter than the hind limbs. These are the hind limbs. The toes on hind limbs are joined together by thin folds of skin called webbed feet. These webbed feet help them to swim in water. Like frogs, turtles also have F-O-U-R, 4 limbs. These are called as flippers. They help them to swim in water. Movement of animals in air. Birds, insects, bats, etc. move in air. In birds, they move with the help of their wings. Wings are covered with feathers and are attached to the breastbone. Birds also have strong hollow bones filled with air and powerful flight muscles. Some birds have very large body and very small wings, so they cannot fly. Ostrich, kiwi, etc. are flightless birds. They walk, run or move with the help of their hind limbs. Ostriches are the fastest runners amongst the birds. Now we'll study the phenomena of migration. Mass movement of animals from one place to another in search of food and water, to avoid harsh climatic conditions, to protect themselves from enemies, and for breeding purposes is known as migration. For example, Arctic tern migrates the longest distance. Apart from Arctic tern, some more animals also show the phenomena of migration. African elephants, grey whale, olive ridley turtles, caribou or deer show migration. This is the caribou deer. This is the olive ridley turtle, Siberian crane, eel and African elephants. They show the process of migration. So my dear students, I hope you have understood the phenomena, the principles that I have explained. If you have any doubt, you can contact your science teachers. Thank you and have a nice day.